When I'm not using the van for a while, I turn the fridge off. And then I need to keep the door open a little bit so it doesn't get moldy inside. And when the door is open, the light is on. And I don't like that. I want the light off when I'm not using the fridge or the van. Of course, I could simply pull the fuse. Of course, I could simply pull the fuse. Of course, I could simply pull the fuse. Or tape the door switch in the closed position. But that's pretty boring. So instead, I want to put in an additional switch, one just for the light. And I want to install it here, right where the light is. So I'm going to remove this whole plastic thing here and see if I can put in a switch. I have these small waterproof push button latching switches, and I'm going to put it in from here, from up above. So this gives me plenty of room to press it, but I won't be running the risk of accidentally pressing it with something that is in the fridge. I'm desoldering the terminals of the door switch, so it will be easier to reattach the cables. So I'm going to cut the red wire here and splice in the switch. And back to the van, and I can put it all back together. Well, now I need to connect the black one to the white one and the two red ones to the door switch. Well, and that's it. I can now push this button and turn off the light permanently. If I turn it back on, then of course it still goes out with the door switch. And I know this isn't the most exciting upgrade in the world, but it makes the van a tiny bit better and more enjoyable for me. I'm working on a much bigger, better and more interesting upgrade up here in front, but that will be in a future video. So if you don't want to miss it, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.